Okay, Kyle, what are we doing?
They're taking a block and washing it, car wash.
Yes, gonna wash all that grime off the block. It's kind of greasy. Yeah, all that grease.
Nasty.
Can't really see it on camera, but
There.
it's definitely there. It's from the two of the head bolts were loose, so it's, I don't know why it was like that, but we're gonna go take it up to the car wash. Alright, so we're at the car wash. We got like a bunch of like brake clean and engine degreaser. So we're gonna clean the block, so get all that grease and grime off of it. Yeah, you can definitely see it now. So we're gonna get to that. Oh, me flying?
Flying here.
Oh, the block flying.
There's a fly in here.
I understand what you're even saying right now. Oh, the fly in here. I don't know what you're trying to say. I was like, what? Fly cam. Freaking random shit.
Pretty much.
It's like fucking bloopers at the end of the video. exactly what this is. Just bloopers. Just filler for the videos. Like I need any filler in my videos. They're already long as shit.
30-minute long videos.
The whole entire build thing would probably sit there and watch it for 2 hours. It's fucking a fly attacking you, Kyle. Oh shit.
Uh-oh.
Did you kill it?
Come here,
Oh,
damn fly.
Dude, you gotta freaking have animal freaking people freaking complaining about
PETA.
What is it?
I got him.
Oh, it's out of your hand.
He's my pet now.
It's your pet now? Oh shit.
It's just us. Oh, he's gone.
Oh my god. It's the most random stuff ever. See, I told you our drives aren't boring. Fucking random bullshit.
It's true.
Random fucking bullshit.
Damn fly.
Why don't you like turn the camera and then make it disappear?
It's personal now.
Personal now. Just don't show the street sign if they don't need people knowing where you live. Where I live.
Or I'm out. It's down in there, you see that?
Yeah, I know. Freaking someone just decided it would be a great idea to dump some car seats in a ditch. Freaking fly can again.
Yeah, we're friends.
Your friends.
He's my friend. Only friend.
Only friend. Oh.
Damn. Some torque.
That one-wheel wonder, though. If we had a limit slip, it would have went sideways. Oh, shit.
Everybody knows where you live.
Well, I'll just edit. I'll
Yeah.
just blur everything out. I don't care.
You just stop it for though. Oh man.
Got that torque, Kyle.
Torquey.
Your Honda can't do
I
that.
don't know what this is happening. What is this?
Yeah, Kyle's the one that owns that red hatch.
It might be me.
The one in the intro. With all that loud popping noises and stuff. He thinks he's cool because of anti-lag.
Another turd.
No, actually, I'm the one that set that up. Actually tuned that car too.
Steven's a mad scientist.
I tried. I'm literally just gonna park the freaking.
There's another
There's a
turd.
cat.
And a cat. Look at it. See if we can make it to the mud bog. Two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel.
I'm parking thing over here. We can carry the block.
Alright. She pretty light.
Yeah, it's a light ass block.
What's that thing over there?
Oh shit.
What's that thing?
It's a beater. I need to scrap it.
Beater bomb.
I'm gonna scrap it. Now let's see if I can fucking see. Fucking park in this fucking thing. I can't fucking see a thing. It's coming out good now.
Oh shit.
Tree. Yes, fucking oh shit. Spinning. She's spinning.
See, Steven knows how to park. Coming in wide.
I made it.
We good.
Alright, so what we're gonna probably do now is probably gonna gap the rings, get it ready. But first we gotta like blow off all the water and WD-40 it because the boards are already starting to rust a little bit. Not too bad, but like just the surface, like the powdery rust. It's probably rust from when it was honed, but
Camera light down there.
shouldn't be any big deal. I mean, no, I don't need it. Nah, I'm not too worried about it. But I got all the oil off because it was leaking right there because of the main seal, so oil was getting everywhere. And also I think it was leaking in the front,
Yeah.
right there.
Yep.
So I think it'll be good once we have the new seals on and whatnot.
Hopefully.
New oil pump, new water pump, new timing, but everything's getting
everything
new.
pretty much.
It's just all rebuilt. And then,
my car here.
oh yeah, your car. I don't know. This thing's nicer than your car.
Yeah, might just.
But we're gonna sell this.
Maybe I'll just sell my
No.
hatch instead of this.
No, because I bought you that B16 head.
Yeah, sure.
I'm not gonna freaking.
Alright, no going back.
There's no going back now.
Yep.
You didn't even see that head yet. It's just chilling in my room under my bed. I'm surprised it's even in my house. Freaking Dodge fans in the family.
Sneak it in.
Everyone flips out about it.
Down the parts in.
But yeah, so probably start capping the rings. I'll probably just do like a little video on that. Well, probably it'd be in the video of us just doing the rings. I mean, it's not too difficult. I've done it like 6 times so far.
Done it 0.
Yeah, he's a nub.
0 times.
He's a nub at this stuff.
I'm learning.
Yeah, he's learning. He's learning.
Trying.
What are we doing, Kyle?
Good question.
Good question.
Gapping the rings.
Yeah, we're gonna gap the rings. So
Pistons.
I'm not gonna gap the oil rings. I think the oil rings are fine, but I think we're gonna open the gap up on the rings because we're gonna be putting boost on it and whatnot.
See how it goes.
Don't break the rings, Kyle.
I'm not breaking them.
Don't break them. Gonna break them, Kyle?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
We'll wait till they're in the car. At least.
I think the car's kind of fucked up right now.
Seen better days, I think.
Yeah, it looks pretty fucked.
What?
Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of grease on the input shaft.
Yeah.
Actually, after I take a little fine file brush, or not file, fucking wire brush to it to clean it up, and then I'll put a little bit of grease on it so it fucking slides on.
Someone wants to ever take the engine out again, probably come out a little easier.
Because I mean, maybe the previous owner kind of didn't put any little bit of grease on it, Like you're supposed to put a little bit of grease on the input shaft, not a lot, just a little bit.
It's a little bit of a struggle to get it out.
Yeah, I know, that was a bitch, dude.
Took a couple pry bars.
It took like an hour and a lot of pry barring.
Yeah.
Didn't hurt anything, everything's fine. But damn, that block is clean as fuck. Oh yeah, tons better. So we'll get to gapping the ring.
Go with this boy. Here go with that boy.
That boy.
Grinding them down.
Yeah, you always do it grinded that way because when you're grinding it that way, like how it's cranking it backwards,
Yeah.
it doesn't leave the vert. You might
Okay.
want to check how that's
Set up then. Push this button.
First ring's all gapped up. Kyle was trying to open up the second rings without breaking them. Trying. Dude, you look so white on camera.
I think it's just, I'm just white, I think.
Oh, you look like neon white though.
Neon white.
Like not even white, it's like neon white.
Glowing white. Could probably, yeah.
All these parts. Yeah, we didn't actually record taking the motor apart because it's really not that entertaining. But we're recording it going together.
Ah, yeah.
Yep. Boy. Oh man. Yeah. Get the second rings all done and then we can start putting them on the pistons.
Don't really have any markings.
Oh, they don't have markings? Oh shit. I don't know, it probably just means they go on either way you want it.
Yeah, probably, I'm guessing.
I don't know. We'll figure it out. Because we're trial tuners, you know. Oh man. Yeah, so we got all the rings done that need to be gapped. They're all ready. So what we're probably gonna do now is start taking all the old rings off, the new pistons. Well, new used pistons, because I don't know. Yeah, we got some D16Z6 like stock pistons we're gonna put in because
Stock compression.
yeah, stock compression because these ones are like yeah, you can see the dome on it. Yeah, because this was like 11.72 to 1 or something like that.
Or something like that.
Yeah, these are gonna be 9 to 1. So that means it'll be good in boost because I don't know, that's way too much compression for boost, honestly.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe if you're running like race gas or methanol.
9's already pretty decent for compression.
Yeah, 9's already pretty. Yeah, my car is 7.8 to 1.
Yeah, that's why you run that high boost.
Well,
High boost life.
that's why I'm gonna be putting a Borg Warner on it. Because Borg Warners can go up to 70 pounds of boost.
Diesel turbos.
Yeah, diesel turbo. So I'm probably gonna run like 40.
Diesel life.
I'm gonna go 40 pounds on it. No, I'm serious. I'm dead serious.
Freight train.
I'm gonna freight train. No, I'm actually not gonna freight train. It's probably not gonna fucking grip. What the fuck is this? Oh, okay, it's a hole. I was like, it's a bolt hole. I was like, what is? Kind of flipped me out a little bit. But that block is clean.
No.
Well, I mean, it's a lot cleaner than what it was.
Yeah.
It was covered in grime. We're not gonna paint it because you're not supposed to paint aluminum blocks. Well, you can, but you gotta get like special paint, like.
Metal enough.
Yeah. But we're not going to
That's fine.
because it'll look good just clean.
Yeah, exactly.
Up better than oily, like an oily mess.
Can you see?
But we're gonna get started on taking the rings off. Probably putting the new rings on. Oh, I gotta go in the house and get that other piston. Because I have the piston chilling on my table.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. So, yeah. Alright, so Kyle and I got all the old rings off, which are all just showing there, but we got all of the rings off. So what we can do now is probably start putting those on.
Yeah.
But yeah, be careful.
Don't want to break those.
Because if you break that, you know what that means? Yeah, no, you're not going to show the old ones that you broke. I broke one too, but no, if you put them on and you break them, we're going to have to like order new ones and
Yeah, and be
wait,
back.
wait, yeah. I mean, we already are kind of set back
A little bit.
a little bit.
Alright. So, be careful doing this, should be good.
Yeah, probably, but
We'll see.
yeah, we'll see. Because hopefully we can get the bottom end kind of start putting back together.
Crank.
You get the crank in, and maybe if we have enough time.
Probably crank some of this stuff.
Yeah, we will. We got brake clean for that. We'll clean off everything. I still got to clean the crank more, but
Yep.
we'll probably get going putting the rings on.
Doing some work.
Doing some work. Now, it's actually, here's the fun part, putting everything back together.
Yep.
Definitely. Alright, yeah, we got the crank in. So next time we'll be putting in the rods and pistons and all that fun stuff. But we still gotta wait for some more parts to fully put it together. Yeah, parts, lots of parts. New oil pump, new water pump, all that fun stuff.
Yep.
So it'll be part 4.
Next part, yep.
It'll be part 4. I don't know how many parts it's gonna be. Probably at least 6
Yeah,
or
least.
more. At
Probably
least.
more.
Yeah, probably more. They're all long too, so it's probably gonna be like probably over like 3 hours if we watch all of them.
All of them. See what it takes to build it.
Yeah, I mean,
Turbo engine.
yeah. He's so fucked. R.I.P.
Yep.
What are you gonna say?